Welcome back to another video. Today is a cook with not me. So John is cooking some Catelli protein pasta with some organic ground beef. So you're gonna cook with him, not with me, even though I'm gonna title this Cook With Us. Are you using our big one? You wanna tell them?
I'm using a big one.
Is it more? Oh, we could grow that.
What?
You'd be one of those silent YouTubers, you know?
Is that a thing?
Yeah, they don't talk, they just put text on top. You wouldn't put text on top. Whoa, your arm looks huge!
Like this?
Right, yeah, like that. Like that. You're good.
Because you got
They said, oh, John, you're so big. Why are you dating Fatima?
Because I love her.
The hair?
No.
Want to see our plates? They're so beautiful. Guys, get these at Costco. All I see is your arm. Oh! Look, they're like beautiful, flat, and then they have some stubble, a pimple, some earrings. Do you guys have Olivia Rodrigo tickets? Please text me. My phone number is... So please find my number and tell me you have tickets. I would love to buy them off of you. I already got scammed. So what's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
He's lying.
I love pasta.
No, he's lying.
So much.
My favorite food is pasta. There's an option for white balance that's underwater. Why would I ever do that?
Why would your camera be on the wall?
I know.
Can it be?
No. I would never want to try. Almost 1K.
Wow.
Daddy Trudeau bought it for me.
Daddy too.
No. Yeah, he did.
You got me my iPad.
Yeah.
For counting. Then it became just for music. Most expensive
Toy.
ever.
He got me my my MacBook that I spilled protein milk on. Okay, what's your favorite overall Olivia song? Not just this album. Yeah. Oh, enough for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your favorite from each?
Huh?
What's your favorite from each? Starting with Summer Walker's album.
I need to look at the album. I'll be back.
For Summer Walker?
No.
Oh, I thought we were looking at Summer Walker.
Yuck.
Yuck.
Sour. Oh. Happier. Or Hope You're Okay. We covered this yesterday. And then, what's your favorite on Guts?
Logical.
That's just like right now though.
No, like vampire, but I don't like it that much.
My favorite is All Americans Bleep. And then only one top favorite on You Seem Pretty Sad.
Nice.
Wow. That's crazy. I knew you would love that song.
Did you?
Yeah, remember I said, baby, you have to watch this one. This one's gonna be your
I
favorite.
think you said that to The Cure.
No, begged. Because that's the second one that was released. Or not released, but she played live.
What's the hack when you cook pasta? You put oil, salt, or butter?
I don't know. I don't hack pasta. Nothing's as bad as it seems. Lots of words are unnecessary doors got too close. Use Himalayan.
What?
It's better.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay. So don't use my pepper.
I think I should panic and just give up and throw up. This is what's written in there.
Yeah. I can't see.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, great. Show me the pasta.
It's dry.
You added parm or
Mott's
mott's?
and parm. Oh, it's supposed to just be parm.
Yeah.
Oh, oops, okay.
No, that'll still be delectable.
Okay.
Okay. Mmm. Mmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Very tomatoey.
High protein.
High protein.
And it's high fiber.
And the mushrooms are delectable. And spinach is so good.
Oh, that spinach was good. Because it had all the sauce.
Al dente still.
Yeah, I made sure to undercook it. No, I undercooked it because I know we'll cook a bit in the sauce. I think if I were to adjust the recipe, I'll do two bottles of the sauce. For 2 boxes of pasta.
That's a lot of sauce.
I like my sauce.
It's gonna be like soup. This is perfect.
Okay, maybe 2.5. I mean 1.5.
The camera always gets me like doing that when I tell you something and you do the exact opposite. Like that time you were like, what time am I seeing you tomorrow? And I say 3 and then you're like, I'm gonna gym at 3.
That was fun.
You did amazing. Good job.
Thank you.
I'm gonna cut that out. Okay, bye! Have a great day. Why do you do that? Okay, bye!
Is that how you turn it off? Oh.
My god.